Okay, part two, we're going to go in and cut holes in the mesh that are actually going to be physical holes in the playfield. We only do this in places where it's going to be highly visible. We don't want reflections to show up, stuff like that. So if we did this for every hole in the playfield, we would have a mess where the ball would be getting stuck in inserts, and we'd have all kinds of geometry that we just absolutely don't need. So we're not going to do that. This is where we really try to limit the number of vertexes that we use, just try to make sure that we have a smooth hole to work with, but no more vertexes than necessary. Okay, I think that's all we want to do with that. So these are all sticking up through the playfield, and we are going to just add another Boolean modifier connected to all of those, and then move these to junk. Alright, there we go. So now we have all of the holes we want in our playfield taken care of, except maybe here. Let's do that, because sometimes that can be visible. Okay, there's everything that we want to cut out of the playfield. So now we can start putting inserts in place. We can make the plywood. We talk about whether or not we want to add a shooter lane here, but this looks good for now.